Hey, Antonio, what's your mindset about being able to come back and play?
Man, I'm just ready to get back and contribute, do what I do my part.
Has sitting out made you any hungrier to get on the field?
Oh yeah, it was hard watching them play on Sundays. That was hard, real hard.
How difficult was it to stay in shape? There's a difference between physical shape and football.
I mean, it wasn't so hard because I was here every day as y'all saw. Still working out every day. So it was just the game speed, when I come back, catching up to the game speed. That was about it.
So you feel like Monday night you can step in and just pick up where you need to pick up to contribute? Or do you need some time to kind of ramp up and get in the flow?
Ain't no time. It's go time. Ain't no time is here. So I'm ready.
How's the ankle?
It's good. Thanks.
100%?
Yeah.
Did it take a while to get there? How long has it been like that?
Like 5 weeks, 6 weeks.
How disappointing was it to find out about the suspension and the fact that, knowing you weren't going to be here for those first 4 games?
I mean, it was tough, but, my teammates, I let them know before anything. So, I mean, knowing that they still got my back, so I was cool. I mean, but it still was disappointing because I felt like I let them down.
When we talked last year, about how many chances a guy can get, what was John Dorsey and Freddie's message to you with the suspension?
Just stay down and work, man. They was there 100%. They had my back, and I thank them for that, not giving up on me.
What kind of did happen, if you can explain? Because you really were determined, not to let anybody down. So kind of what happened?
What happened when?
Yeah, what happened for you to get to the point where you had to get suspended when you were so determined that you promised John Dorsey you weren't going to let him down? And
I made a choice, and it cost me. And, I grew from that, and I'm just here. I'm here now. And, I took steps forward instead of backwards. I took steps forward to becoming a better person, better myself.
Yeah, and so what did you learn from this whole experience this time? Did you really feel, even more determined now to just stay on the straight and narrow, follow your program, and do what you need to do?
Oh yes, man. I'm gonna just stay with the structure and the routine that I've been using for the last 5 weeks. So I'm gonna just stick with that.
Tony, what does it mean as a young receiver to be around a guy like Jarvis Landry and know that come on a daily basis?
I mean, you can't do nothing but learn from those guys right there. Cause both of them work hard, put in extra work. So I mean, you should want to be around guys like that.
What have you taken from their games that you can incorporate into yours?
The work ethic. Even though I work hard, but you see it's the next step, the next level to working hard.
You had some pretty lofty goals for this season. Do you feel like all of those goals are still achievable for you?
Oh, of course, yeah, always.
Even though you only have 12 games to do it, you still think you can hit 1,000 yards?
Yeah, but we're gonna take it a game at a time.
Where do you think you fit in the receiver? I mean, you got obviously OBJ and Jarvis and Rashard. Where do you think you fit in kind of that rotation or that group?
I mean, our receiver room full of great receivers, so everybody gonna contribute. I mean, I fit in well. I fit in good.
Antonio, Coach Prefer said he's excited to get you back into the special teams. Is that something you're looking forward to?
Oh yeah.
Think you'll get a chance to return right now?
Yeah.
Take off the punts or
Punt return.
punt return?
How excited are you just to have that feeling of getting back into a real live game and hopefully contributing?
I mean, I just can't wait till Monday. Monday can't come any faster.
And what a way to get back in there, just get thrown in on Monday Night Football in front of the whole nation. Great
I
way.
mean, I'm built for it.
Have you already envisioned taking one to the house?
Yeah, I always visualize myself making plays.